your stones is very important. Use an organic cleanser if you can, and make sure that your container that holds your dirty stones goes right down into the sink where you're cleaning them so that they are safe. All the dirty stones get laid out in here, and once you get them down in the sink, then you can pull your Joya stones out. Make sure that you just take them out, lay them down in, and then you're going to clean them inside and out with the organic cleaner, maybe a light brush, a toothbrush. When you go through each stone, clean it. Let the water just drain off the energies that have gotten attracted to this stone. Use a lukewarm water. Then when you drain them out on the countertop, be sure to take the inserts of the Joya out, lay them out to dry. Lay your Joya roller upside down so all the water drains out, and then all your stones get laid out individually. And then you can pick them up and use them again.